Most people will never be rich because they spend too much time showing off the money they don't actually have. Think about it. We live in a world where everyone's quick to show off material possessions, fancy cars, expensive dinners, designer clothes. And here's the reality. All that noise, all that flash, it's often masking a financial house built on sand. The truth is, real wealth, the kind that lasts, is quiet. It doesn't need a spotlight. And listen carefully, because today I'm going to share with you the 12 easiest ways to quietly build wealth without the need for flashy displays or showing off on social media. If you're someone who wants financial freedom but doesn't need to broadcast every step, this is the video for you. But as a side note, these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They are simple, tried-and-true methods that have helped countless people quietly accumulate wealth, ensuring that when the time comes, they can truly live life on their own terms. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. At number 12, invest consistently, even in small amounts. Here's a little-known fact. Even small regular investments can lead to serious wealth over time. But the trick isn't in investing a lot at once. It's in consistency. Think of it as planting seeds. If you put just $5 or $10 a day into a diversified portfolio or index fund, you're quietly building wealth in the background. Compounded over years, this strategy turns into something substantial without ever making a fuss. Now I've only shared one step on your journey. Listen carefully, because what I'm about to share next will be the most important decision you'll have to make to separate yourself from the average and middle class. Subscribe and give this video a like for updates on all of our upcoming videos. Number 11. Keep a low-profile lifestyle. Let's face it, high-profile lifestyles cost money. While your friends might be splurging on the latest tech gadgets or high-end dinners, staying low-key with your spending means you're funneling more into assets that grow over time. Choosing to live below your means isn't glamorous, but it's effective. Avoiding lifestyle inflation means you can save and invest more, creating a financial foundation that'll stand the test of time. Number 10. Automate your savings. Most people don't realize that the simplest wealth-building strategy is to get out of your own way. Automation takes the temptation out of spending. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts as soon as you get paid. It's like paying yourself first. You won't notice the money leaving your account, but over time, you'll notice your net worth growing. Quietly, steadily. Number 9. Build a diversified portfolio. Diversifying is one of the golden rules of investing, but here's why it's perfect for quiet wealth. You're spreading your money across different assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, maybe even some cryptocurrency. This approach not only lowers your risk, but also lets you grow wealth steadily without the volatility or the risky allure of putting all your money into one stock or trend. When you finish watching this video, go back and watch our playlist on assets and liabilities. Each video is a step-by-step breakdown of the actions you must take and investments that actually work to build wealth. That's why you need to watch the entire playlist to fully understand how. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 8. Learn the art of negotiation, even for everyday purchases. Negotiation is a superpower for building wealth, yet most people overlook it. Either out of discomfort or a mistaken belief that it's only useful for business deals. But here's the truth. Mastering negotiation, even for small, everyday purchases, can save you thousands over a lifetime. These saved dollars can be redirected toward investments, debts, or savings, quietly increasing your net worth without any fanfare. The fact of the matter is, negotiation is a skill most people often overlook. And no, this doesn't mean haggling over pennies. This means negotiating everything from your rent to your cell phone bill to your next car purchase. Saving money on regular expenses means you have more to invest. Quietly building wealth isn't just about what you earn, it's about what you keep. Number 7. Invest in self-education. Let's get one thing clear. The most valuable asset you'll ever have is you. The knowledge, skills, and insights you develop over time have the power to multiply your wealth in ways no single investment ever could. Investing in self-education doesn't just mean getting a degree or going to a fancy school. It means taking control of your learning and growth in ways that directly impact your financial future. Honestly, in this day and age, becoming a lifelong learner is a requirement if you want to succeed in life. Education is an investment that pays off in endless ways, yet you don't need to post about every course or book you're studying. Whether it's learning about stocks, real estate, or even taking online courses to improve your skills, each piece of knowledge adds to your wealth toolkit. Quietly learning and applying what you know puts you way ahead of those who focus on appearances. Number 6. Buy cash flow generating assets. One of the most underappreciated secrets of the wealthy is the focus on assets that put money in your pocket regularly. But what exactly are cash flow generating assets? Cash flow generating assets are investments that pay you on a regular basis, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually. These assets produce returns that don't require constant work, which makes them ideal for building wealth passively. Think of things like real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or a small side business. These are cash flow generators. Instead of assets that depreciate like cars or gadgets, look for investments that appreciate over time while also generating income. This is how you can make money quietly in the background. Number 5. Avoid high-interest debt like the plague. If there's one silent killer of wealth, it's high-interest debt. Credit cards, payday loans, and any other kind of high-interest borrowing will drain your money faster than you can make it. Quietly wealthy people know how to avoid or eliminate high-interest debt quickly. If you're paying 20% interest on a debt, it's like walking uphill with weights on. Get rid of it, and you'll notice your ability to build wealth grow exponentially. Number 4. Develop skills that increase your earning potential. Not all wealth building is about cutting back or saving. Increasing your earning power is a massive, often overlooked part of the equation. Skills like coding, data analysis, digital marketing, and even soft skills like negotiation can raise your income significantly. The best part? Skill building isn't flashy. No one needs to know that you're quietly learning to double or triple your income potential. Number 3. Set clear financial goals and keep them private. A key component of quietly building wealth is having a plan. Knowing exactly how much you want to save, invest, or have for retirement gives you a roadmap to follow. And here's the thing, keep your goals private. There's no need to announce your milestones. This isn't about impressing others. It's about securing your future. Quietly ticking off financial goals keeps you grounded and focused. Number 2. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts. Here's a quiet wealth hack that most people ignore, taking advantage of tax-efficient accounts, like Roth IRAs, 401ks, or health savings accounts, also called HSAs. These accounts allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, which can lead to much larger savings over time. While others might be paying out a good chunk of their gains to taxes, you're quietly growing your wealth in these accounts, tax-efficiently. Now, since you made it this far, keep watching because I'm about to share with you a bonus move that is the key most people fail to realize is exactly what is needed to succeed in 2024. Number 1. Build and nurture a valuable network without flaunting it. Your network can be one of your most valuable assets, and no, networking doesn't mean bragging about who you know or name-dropping any parties. True networking is about creating real relationships with people who can help you grow, learn, and advance. You've probably heard this quote before, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." This statement couldn't be any further from the truth, so choose your friends wisely and be cautious about the company you keep. Mentors, advisors, and peers who push you forward are wealth-building tools that cost you nothing but add tremendous value. Building wealth isn't just about numbers on a balance sheet. It's also about the people you know and the relationships you cultivate. A strong network can open doors, provide valuable insights, and create opportunities that wouldn't be accessible otherwise. But the key to building a powerful network is to do so quietly, focusing on authentic connections rather than flaunting your contacts. But why is networking essential for wealth building? The old adage, "It's not what you know, but who you know," has a strong foundation in truth. Having a network of people who share insights, open doors, and offer guidance can make all the difference in your wealth-building journey. Your network can provide resources, investment opportunities, industry knowledge, and support, giving you a competitive edge that's hard to quantify but crucial for long-term success. And let's be honest, a traditional job, even a well-paying one, is unlikely to make you rich. It's a tough truth. But if you want real financial freedom, relying solely on a paycheck isn't enough. Your job is a starting point, a stepping stone. It can provide stability and income, but building lasting wealth requires thinking beyond that 9 to 5. Why a job alone isn't enough for wealth building? For most people, a job represents security, but it also has limitations. Jobs offer fixed income, and your earning potential is largely dictated by your employer, industry standards, and the time you're able to dedicate. The hours you put in are directly tied to your earnings, and there's only so much you can do in a day. Even if you're in a high-paying role, there are limits to how much you can save and invest on a fixed income. You now clearly understand 12 easy ways to quietly build wealth. None of these strategies require you to flaunt or showcase your progress to anyone. In fact, the less noise you make, the more wealth you can build without interference or distractions. By focusing on consistent, steady actions, you're setting up a foundation that will last a lifetime. Now, before you go, ask yourself, which of these strategies can you start today? Even implementing just one or two can set you on a completely different path. And if you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe, because in our next video, we'll dive into the biggest myths about wealth building that keep people from ever achieving financial freedom. Don't miss it! Click the video on the screen now to continue your journey toward a life of wealth and financial independence. And we'll see you in the next one.